Ekinihiiro Karasho Kakyeka stadium shenyo mutwaro gumwe abantu baza kurya imiceri
hati makabagambe imiceri oshwe ngutwe muri Ekinihiiro muri kwa turashaguza emyaka raba yayikaho
waza kubiteka calculator herizoba habra 2018 byonka Radio West ya hansi y'ekitongole cha Vision Group ekirikuza TV West Aban TV Bukede New Vision n'ebindi kwegaranjira Kyeka Kakyeka amazarwa ga Radio West gemyaka 20 kandi bamwe abakozi bari kurota ngo kikariyari
ati buri zo batanu ko bike sirinji 2
Okseriari
biramushaje tenda kuganira Kakyeka tandeka kwate shaheji emwe yakashesha tigaba twasamira mpo abeshogozi nyamwinje bona bana kwa Kakyeka
herizobe ekitongole cha Vision Group cyatongoza enteekateeka z'Ekinihiiro cha Radio West okwaba kitebe kikuru Kampala.
Today we officially launch the Ekinihiiro concert, Radio West and TV West Ekinihiiro concert that will take place on the 27th of July. And we are here with our partners and sponsors that have supported us through the years.
At 20 years, we are actually now promising more value that we bring to their business. If you're advertising with us when you're looking for sales, we guarantee that at age 20, there's no one better to work with or to partner with in your business than Radio West.
Abatebekanisa b'ebivurunka baramu barugahare kampuni ka MTN na Pepsi Cola na Ekinihiiro Karasho tikira basiga enyuma.
Wa Ekinihiiro chamani Radio West gamba mpulire so tuliyoni twija biro abirina abirabyo na musanju omukishaayi kya Kakyeka ebirabo biriyo tulina abazini bona tulina fireworks bills to abagambira fireworks tujja kubatera fireworks sound na retarado so aba neighbor bambarara nywena nitubasawa isingiro mbarara Kakyeka ishaka ibanda bushenyi kitagata nyena nitubeta muje mu Ekinihiiro na kirihura
ya ba MTN kandi twashimira munonga bipato Ekinihiiro Karasho shemerero munonga okushana ngo tusponsor emyaka 5 hingwire abanyambara tubakunda tukaturiyo kwakana tukuriyo mu expo kandi turiyo tugaruka mu Ekinihiiro kandi byo kusinga
Ekinihiiro cyo mu event y'ebese Ekinihiiro Karasho twenga Pepsi biza kuba turariyo izoba biza kuba twine biro byo kwambara maruza t-shirts kofira n'ibindi munonga na soda zabusha kandi asorede nzo kuba tumuguza ahasentenje izikubasika buri muntu wenda kugira ngo umuntu wenda sho adireki akikana nywa soda
abahona bacamya kuba amazire kucenchera beshongoza barya nobu nkenga mbaye bere bikuraza abanyambaro mu nkito kandi cyahika kugashura etutu noija kuba no gitemese kiganje
abantu bayimbija ushanga yajya tunyonye yenda kuba hekini yenda kubebaza abo kuhereza abo kujya guhereza burungi so abantu batire emceri ntekateka kusavinga kilos kurenga 5 zo mceri abantu tekateka kusavinga kilo 3 kilo 3 zenyama enteekateeka eziroho babire batebeekanise kilogrammu zirukurenga rukaga kulisa abantu abagambwaho konko bwa hati batungire kilogrammu zirukurenga rushanju kandi ezindi enkunzi za Radio West nezikereta.
We celebrate 20 years of Radio West and actually 10 more or even 20 more to come. I'd like to thank our business partners and in this form they are coming in the form of sponsors, that is MTN Uganda. Thank you for always working with us. I would also like to extend thanks to Pepsi Uganda. They've put in money in this year's Ekinihiiro, and of course we'd also like to thank Bell Lager, one of the products of Uganda breweries that also sponsors for Ekinihiiro.
Buruka konja karabenika kutasyo mu Ekinihiiro cya Kakyeka nibaza ku bantu bakaguza umutwaro gumwe atari kwahura kandi kurigerera abatebekanisa Ekinihiiro ekikutanaho n'ebindi nikiza kuba cy'umutano ahabwokuba na bamwe abeshongozi bayeteekateekire.
Yo, mbulavuyo okusoma katabo new chapter after new chapter bwe tumala tukola bigezo new answer after new rapudada yo bakaise kafefe busika rapa kasinga obutono ku nsimba sazzeko enaku z'omwezi nga 27 Bukedde TV obona anti Vision Group batusaka Ekinihiiro anti guba muliro wali eriwa ku kisaawe kyennyini anti mbamba linze fefe busi wetubeyo nga 27 mujoba muli bameko ba musambu nze wendi mbalinze.
And the house on Kagure.